See?
You gonna dance? Good girl. This is my beautiful girl wearing her beautiful spring dress from Sainsbury's and dancing with her Amish bear in a dress from Sri Lanka. Oh. Toro! Good girl. So, the dress the bear is wearing was given to her by her Auntie Jane and Uncle John, and was purchased during their trip to Sri Lanka. And Lily insisted that Bear wear this dress because Lily was wearing a dress and she wanted her bear to have a dress on too. And Lily went and got the dress and brought it to me to put on Bear. And Lily's dress we bought a week ago or so when we were visiting Uncle John, Auntie Jane, and cousins Megan and Joe, and had such a lovely time. And on our way out of town we stopped at Sainsbury's and bought a couple of things, and this dress was one of them. And she just loves to dance. So we've got oh, and these are her new shoes from Next that she's also going to wear probably when she's a flower girl next month in May 2010 for her lovely friends Anthony and Ikram's wedding. So we've just really got a very glamorous little girl here. What, my love? You gonna do some spins? Cool. I love a lot of the styles we saw in England last week because they kind of have this 1940s feel, and it just seems to suit Lily really well. So yeah. Oh, and the reason the house looks so beautiful is because my husband cleaned it this morning and did the most amazing job, and I walked downstairs after having a morning pregnancy sort of lie-in, and it was just gorgeous. That is a nice thing to get up to. Yay, Lily! Clap, 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 clap. You did great. Can you take a bow? You know how to bow? Very good. Say bye-bye. I love you, everybody.
Bye-bye, buddy.